Belize Commercial Laundry and Linens recognizes that as a restaurant, hotel, resort, condo manager or owner, your priority is making guests feel valued and safe. Give them that assurance with the gold standard in commercial laundry and linens. At BCLL's new 12,000 square feet facility, commercial linens are processed in separate batches, sorted by classification, washed in commercial washers with programmed chemical dispensers, ironed and sanitized at 350 degrees. We are able to process 25,000 pounds of linen daily, 6 days a week within a 24-hour turnaround time. Outsource your commercial laundry to BCLL for cost efficiency, administrative savings, elimination of the stress of in-house laundry management, and cost of expensive equipment and maintenance. Belize Commercial Laundry and Linens, delivering unparalleled service and value. Contact us for more information or to schedule a tour.